Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Goldenmate's 12 volt 100 amp hour LifePo4 battery. Now it has a nominal voltage of 12.8 volts and nominal capacity of 100 amp hours and therefore 1280 watt hours. Now it has a resistance of less than 30 milliohms and the dimensions are 328 millimeters by 172 millimeters by 212 millimeters, or 12.9 inches by 6.77 inches by 8.3 inches. The weight comes in at about 13 kilograms or 28.6 pounds. Now it comes with a removable fabric belt handle. It has the 8 millimeter terminals and the case is made out of ABS plastic. Now it has a charge voltage of 14.4 volts with 14.6 volt max. It has a standard charge current of 20 amps with a 50 amp max. And the maximum discharge current is 100 amps and has a discharge cutoff voltage at about 10 volts. It has a charge temperature ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to positive 50 degrees Celsius, has a discharge temperature range of minus 20 degrees Celsius to positive 60 degrees Celsius, and has a storage temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to positive 45 degrees Celsius. It has a built-in BMS or battery management system that prevents overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuit. It also has a built-in high and low temperature protection, so it will prevent the battery from being used or charged when the temperature is too high or too low. So it is widely used by RVers and marine enthusiasts and for DIY backup power supply like residential solar systems and off-grid outdoor applications. Now it is, however, not to be used as an automotive starting battery due to the large current draw. Now the limitation is because of the BMS and the safety of the cells. So how can we as drone pilots make use out of this kind of a battery? Well, we can charge our freestyle drone batteries using a LiPo charger like this IMAX B6 battery charger directly connected to the battery via the DC input port of the charger, or charge up any drone batteries using an inverter and the original charger to charge those batteries as well. Now it is so much better than using a large capacity LiPo battery like this 20,000 milliamp or 20 amp 4S LiPo battery with just 336 watt hours versus the 1280 watt hour of this LifePo4 battery. And you can recharge this battery 2,000 times for 100% depth of discharge, 4,000 times for 80% depth of discharge, and 7,000 times for 50% depth of discharge. That's like 20 years of use versus a LiPo battery that'll last you maybe about a year. And it is cost effective. $148 for the LiPo battery versus $239 for this LifePo4 battery. So even if you bought two of those LiPo batteries, it still cannot beat just one of these LifePo4 battery, and it will cost you even more. Now, one of the ways I like to use this battery is to connect it to the solar input port of a power station to increase the capacity and lengthen the use of the power station. So this 288 watt hour power station can last another 4.4 times more than by itself alone. and this 1008 watt-hour power station more than twice as long. So I can run my refrigerator twice as long if there's a power outage. Run my portable AC twice as long as well to keep cool. And because it is made for solar systems and off-grid systems, solar panels can be hooked up to charge the battery via an MPPT charge controller while it is being used to prolong the use of the power station, so it will last even longer depending on the wattage the solar panels are able to generate. Now you can also use it traditionally by powering up loads via an inverter while it is solar charging as well in an off-grid situation. You can also charge it up by using a 120 volt AC to DC automotive battery charger if the charger has the LifePo4 option, like this automotive battery charger maintainer. It has a max current of only 8 amps, but it has the LifePo4 setting where it will charge at 14.6 volts max. Now you can get chargers that have higher amp output for faster charge times like 20 amps and up to a maximum of 50 amps. And it will cost very little to charge up this battery. So 1,280 watts or 1.28 kilowatts times 27 cents per kilowatt, which is the going rate here in the California's high desert. It will cost roughly about 35 cents to charge up this battery. So there are 3 ways to charge this battery: AC to DC charge, solar charge, and also with a gas generator. So whether you are charging it up via solar, via the wall charger, or via the gas generator, it makes sense to have one of these LifePo4 batteries as a backup battery for the house if there's a power outage, so you can run the refrigerator to protect your perishables. You can run the 600 watt portable AC for about 2 hours as well, or run a 70 watt fan like this for up to 18 hours. And you can always use it to charge up your drone batteries when you need to. So next time you go out to fly your drones with limited amount of drone batteries, you'll be able to recharge those drone batteries and fly again and again and again and enjoy your day out in the field without draining the car battery to charge those batteries or running the car engine all day long. So there you have it, guys, the Goldenmate's 12 volt 100 amp LifePo4 battery. Now there are various different sizes of LifePo4 batteries to choose from to meet your application, so check them out. The link to the product is down below in the video description. So that'll do it then for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time.